Hello there. Why is my cat's eyes tearing up? This is video 5 in a 5-video series that discusses common allergies in cats. Allergies are the most prevalent cause of conjunctivitis, that is inflammation of the conjunctiva, and blepharitis, inflammation of the eyelids in cats. Sometimes conjunctivitis and blepharitis will occur together with rhinotracheitis, as discussed in my video on rhinotracheitis. Clinical signs of conjunctivitis and blepharitis. Tearing is the most characteristic sign of conjunctivitis or pink eye. Tearing is an indication that the conjunctiva and the tear glands are inflamed, swollen, and painful. Number 2, allergies cause the conjunctiva to get leadened. You get leadened conjunctiva or pink eye. Painful eyes lead to rubbing the eyes with resultant blepharitis or redness of the eyelids. Swollen palpebral conjunctiva, that's the inner lining of the eyelids, that's the palpebral conjunctiva, leads to swollen and painful eyelids, which keeps the eyes closed. While allergies will attack one eye and sometimes both eyes, it's very difficult to explain, right? If allergies can come very close to one eye and they leave the other one, sometimes it's difficult to imagine or think about it. Untreated allergy-triggered conjunctivitis will lead to secondary bacterial infection. With the secondary bacterial infection, leads to purulent discharge oozing from the affected eye or eyes. Because of the pain in the eyes, the cat is going to lose appetite. So how do you treat conjunctivitis? Or how do I treat conjunctivitis? My treatment plan for conjunctivitis includes an antibiotic and an anti-inflammatory injection, usually a long-acting steroid, inside the hospital scenario. Follow-up medications include liquid oral antibiotic for 7 days, and eye drops containing both antibiotic and anti-inflammatory medication for 7 days. Your veterinarian will determine the best treatment for your cat. That's the end of this short video. Now you know a little bit tearing and conjunctivitis. If you see the cats are tearing up, or the eyes are extremely swollen, then you know you have got pink eye, and you got to go to your doctor to give you the treatment that the cat needs. If this video was helpful, subscribe, share it, comment, or ask a question below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video coming soon.